Tonight, we'll make a Lego haunted house that really lights up using crazy circuits. First, lay out the crazy circuit's battery holder, blink fade board, and mini LEDs onto a Lego board. This lets us figure out where to run the conductive maker tape. Place the tape down onto the board in the locations you just identified, then snap the components over the top of them. With a battery in place, the LEDs light up and the center one fades. Next, assemble your haunted house right up and over the electronics. Congratulations, you just made a spooky light-up haunted house. If you want to go crazy, use a Crazy Circuits invention or robotics board to randomly fade even more LEDs for an advanced scene. Or even a spooky dance party. What Lego scene would you light up? Tell us in the comments. Like and subscribe to this channel for more great projects, and come visit us at browndoggadgets.com.